Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see your card number using the Bank of America mobile app and what information is available for security reasons. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the credit card or debit card you want to view. Next, look for an option that says Card Management, Card Settings, or Manage Card, and tap on it. In this section, you may see an option to view your digital card or virtual card details. For security reasons, Bank of America does not usually display your full physical card number. However, you may be able to see the last 4 digits of your card, your expiration date, and card status. If your account supports a virtual card number, you can view or generate a digital card number for online purchases. To view a virtual card number, follow the on-screen steps and complete any identity verification, such as entering a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, you can use the virtual card number for online purchases instead of your physical card, which adds an extra layer of protection. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you understand how to view your card number on the Bank of America app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.